Keyboard editing. There are a few more features connected with editing that we have in Premiere. It's clear that we can copy and paste a piece of editing using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. If we need to insert a piece of editing into a clip, we'll use the combination Ctrl+Shift+V. Insert. We can use Mark In and Mark Out to select fragments, but then, what should we do with them? First of all, we can delete them using the delete key. The video or audio will be deleted from all active tracks. It's possible to delete with an offset, with Shift+Delete. It deletes and combines the videos, leaving no space between them. The second option, we use the combination Ctrl+X. It allows you to copy what is on the active tracks in the Mark As In and Out zone and paste it somewhere. The thing is that we can highlight a fragment without using the mouse. So we highlight using Mark In and Mark Out. In addition, the selected fragment is automatically deleted. Thirdly, it's so important to learn about the lift function. Let's say we have a highlighted piece of video. If we press this key, it will be deleted. The difference from delete is that we copied this fragment to the buffer. The functionality is almost the same as that of the Ctrl+X combination. Along with lift, we can use the extract function. With this function, we delete the fragment and it's copied to the buffer. Next, we can insert this piece anywhere. For example, we use the X key. Then move it to the desired part of the video and click Extract. Next, the X key is considered very useful. It puts two markers in and out at the beginning and at the end of the clip on the playhead. The most commonly used keys are Q and W. The Q key cuts from the previous splice from the beginning of the clip to the playhead and combines the video fragments. The W key cuts the clip from the playhead to the next splice, to the end of the clip, and combines the pieces. Shift+Q is used in a situation where we need to move the splice to the right, to the playhead. One clip is unwound and the other is wound. The disadvantage is that it unwinds all the clips that are on the active tracks. Shift+W works in the opposite direction. It moves the splice to the left, to the playhead. Clips can be moved not only with the mouse, but also with a keyboard. To do it, we need to use keyboard shortcuts such as Alt plus left and right arrows, move the video leaving a free space, or overwriting a fragment of another video when it collides. When we use Alt plus up or down arrows, the video will move to the other tracks by overwriting the clips or audio that are already on the tracks. The D key allows you to select a clip on the playhead. The difference between Alt plus slash and Alt plus left and right arrows is that Alt plus slash moves the video and unwinds it, like a slide tool. Ctrl plus Alt plus left or right arrows replace the slip tool function. It allows you to scroll through the clip inside without changing its borders. Ctrl plus K is a razor tool replacement. It cuts the video by playhead. Ctrl plus Shift plus K cuts all videos by playhead. Additional functions in the timeline panel include: first, Snap S. When Snap is disabled, the frames won't be glued to anything when you move them. When it's enabled, the frames are glued to the glues, to the playhead and to the markers. Second, Linked Selection. This feature allows you to control the audio separately from the video. When the function is disabled, it will be possible to select video and audio separately, and they remain linked to each other. You can do even easier and select video or audio with pressed Alt key. They are also selected separately when linked selection is disabled. If you enable linked selection and select videos, then we will select them together. And also, we can select the video or audio again separately by adding Alt. I will tell you about this option later. It also has the richest functionality, if you know how to use it correctly. That's all. We'll continue next time.